you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video I have for you guys is a really fun one. This one is actually a collaboration with a bunch of other mamas here on YouTube. So basically what it is it is a box swap for 2018. We had to basically fill out a questionnaire and buy the person that we were assigned to items and gifts that would help them achieve their goals for 2018. But the person that created this box swap was Shaylee from Shaylee and Baby. So basically I have this box here from someone, a secret sister. No, I have this box here that was sent to me, and all of the gifts in here are based off of my answers that I gave in the questionnaire. It is from Christina, and her channel name is the Subfertile Frugalista, if I'm saying that right. I will have her link and information down below in the description box so you can check out her channel. And also I'm gonna go ahead and have the link to the girl I was assigned to. I will have her video link or her channel link so you can go to her channel and check out the items that I bought her. It's not too private, but she just said, Lindsay, I have enjoyed watching your videos to get to know you a little better. I love your decor style, and I hope you like the things I picked out for you. Wishing you an awesome 2018, and I hope the new year brings only great things for you and your family. Cheers to a great new year. Oh, so very awesome. All right, so woohoo! So she packaged it so pretty, you guys. I just love how she used all the tissue paper, this pretty ribbon, and then there's some notes right here. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing is this right here. And it says, to help with your health goals for 2018, because that is one of the things that I did write on the questionnaire, is I have fitness and health goals. So let's see what she got. This is so fun, I'm so excited. I got this box the other day and I've been having to wait to actually sit down and film it for you guys and not cheat or anything, so, oh, I love it. Okay. Sip by Swell. This is a awesome water bottle. I love the color. I think it's like a rose gold or something. It's insulated to keep your drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours. You guys, this is awesome. Thank you so much. This is super sweet, and I've actually been wanting these. It's just, I haven't actually bought one. I just look at it at the store and I'm like, I need to get this. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. I can also put my coffee in here when I have to run errands in the morning with the kids. I don't want to keep my coffee hot and not in a regular coffee mug. Thank you, girl. All right, so anyway, the next gift is for making goals and getting things done. Ooh, I love this kind of stuff, little office stuff. I don't know how much you guys can see. Oh, there we go. So it says, make it count. So this is really perfect, Christina, because if you're new to my channel, I'm not exactly sure. I know you watch my videos, but I love taking notes, and when we do like the power hour, or I need to make a list of the tasks I need to clean or get done, I love just having like some kind of notepad. So this is super cute. This can be my daily notepad. Thank you. And then, hi. Okay, and then the next thing she got is an insert patch. So this has some like stickers that say like lovely ideas, start somewhere. They're just so pretty. Oh, they're like sticker tabs too, like to bookmark your journal and your planner and all of that good stuff, which I love. And I have a planner. Now I can use these with my planner. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, and then this gold notebook. And then inside, it just looks like that. It says, to help your family stay healthy. Oh. Oh, essential oils, you guys. Oh my gosh, so sweet. I absolutely love essential oils. Sniffles and Sneezes Synergy Blend. Eden's Garden. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for this one. Thank you. I want to smell it just because that's the first thing I do when there's anything. Oh gosh, I can't open it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good too. Thank you so much. I am definitely going to use this. Gosh, you wrapped this so nicely. I mean, you did really great. Look at this, guys. It says, to help make your me time more fun. Woohoo! I'm so excited. Who's not excited for gifts? Yeah, Ava's gonna help me. Oh, yay, guys. Okay, Ava got this open first. This is Soap and Glory. So I have not tried Soap and Glory yet. I just know that my good friend Kimberly from Style Mom XO absolutely loves Soap and Glory. And I ended up getting this for my giveaway and I think some presents for some family members. So I'm really excited to have my own Soap and Glory product. This is Flake Away. It's a body polish. And then this one, the Righteous Butter, is a body moisturizer. So, wow. So this is Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. Hello. And it is a color, I can tell it's a color that I like. It's $5.40 in the color Velvet Mink. So I'm excited for that. I wish I could put it on right now, but this is a pretty like permanent lipstick. So I can't really test it out for you guys. But you will see it in upcoming videos. Thank you. And then the next gift that Ava helped unwrap. Oh, our brushes, contour brush sets. I love it and they're so pretty. I like how they have the like ombre colors here. So a buffing foundation brush, all over powder, highlight, fan brush, and contour brush. So nice. Oh, and it comes with this little cute pouch back here in the back, like a little brush purse. So awesome. I think that's it. Thank you so much, Christina. You are amazing. You were very sweet for sending me these gifts. You know exactly what I like. I love all of this stuff. I think there's going to be a link to the other ladies participating in this collab, so you can kind of just see all of our secret unboxing swap gifts videos and check them out. Show them your support, show them some love, let them know you're from my channel, and I love you guys and thank you for taking the time and watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. Hit like if you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.